The transition trim on my laminate floor has come loose. It looks like it's damaged and it can't be pushed back into place. I already put a few nails in here and it looks like I need one more, so let me show you how I did it. Brad nails are so small that you can't hardly hold them with your fingers without smashing your fingers with a hammer. So we're going to use needle nose pliers to hold the brads. I have a couple of affiliate links in the description below if you're looking for some of these little brad nails. Alright, thanks for watching.